How to see when you joined Snapchat. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go over to the top left corner and tap on Your Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now scroll down to the end of this page. Here, you can view your joining date and year on Snapchat. You can also explore your other profile information on this page, such as your stories, friends, Snap Map, link history, etc. You can edit your Snapchat selfie as well. You can also edit other profile information, such as your Bitmoji, Snapchat theme, your phone number, etc. You can also add friends on Snapchat by tapping on Add Friends on the Friends section. Following these steps, you can easily see when you join Snapchat.